organize the big one to like a little baggy thingy. So let's start with the minifig. So first I'll open it up. I'm gonna take them off of a little bag and look at him. So as you can see, out face, he doesn't have two printings. Or let's get it back. Oh boy. You see alright? You see? Okay. We're gonna the Shunkens. You already know what's a Shunken maybe. But I'm gonna show you. And you can see that little piece. I don't know why, but I put a booster pack and I don't know why it not really here's the Shunkens on the floor. See those? Okay. And bye bye. See you later on the. Bye.